Stunning two-story custom brick basement home with traditional features, gleaming hardwoods, neutral palette, main level master suite, 3 bedrooms up plus large bonus and 3-car garage. Extra live-in quarters and walkout basement with kitchen, living room west/screened porch, bedroom and bathroom, laundry room. Separate garage with level basement entrance into the private and separate living quarters. Impressive design, exciting living and entertaining spaces, extra storage throughout. Located in beautiful Kensington. Minutes from uptown Knoxville, I-140, the airport, Maryville and Oak Ridge.